Hello from the counseling office. This is Miss Liz, and I'm here today to talk to you about the credit check document that I sent to you for CIS time today. It's called Credit Check CIS 2018 Plus, and it's a document that will help you track your credits towards graduation. I don't know about you, but most of us want you to graduate on time, and so part of that is keeping track of what you've completed and how much more you still have to do as a student here at CIS. The very first thing I want you to do is once you've opened the credit check document, make sure you click on File and make a copy. I don't want you editing the document on my document because there's a lot of people using that same document. So go ahead and make a copy. Name it for your first and last name and your graduation year. So we'll pretend this document belongs to Bob the Iguana, and he graduates in 2021. So Bob the Iguana is a 10th grader, and you're going to want to update his name as well as you're going to go ahead and update the student name, if I can get my document to work for me, and put your name in the column here. And then you're going to also put your year of graduation. All right, so I'm going to explain this document a little bit to you. It calculates everything for you, so you don't have to do the math. It will do the math for you, which is pretty awesome. Over here in the left-hand column is a list of all the classes you have to take in order to graduate. It also has a column right next to it of which credits you need in order to graduate, your required credit amount. These numbers here help calculate the total credits earned over here in blue, and the credits that you still need to earn are going to be in red. This is really, really important for your success at CIS, so you know what you still need to do in order to graduate. Since Bob the Iguana is a 10th grader, we're going to go ahead and plug in his grades from last year and his grades from this last semester of 10th grade. As you can see, each column is a semester long, and then it's important to fill in each semester. I would encourage you to open up your portal. It will help you do your classes and your grades. If you fail the class, then that class is going to get a 0 credit. But if you didn't fail a class, most of them will get 0.5 credit, and I'll talk more about that. All of your cores, English, Math, Science, Social Studies, World Language, will get a 0.5 credit per semester, or 1 whole credit per year. So essentially 0.5, 0.5, and then I've passed everything for English the past 3 semesters as a sophomore, and I passed everything in math, passed everything in science, passed everything in history, and I'm currently passing my Spanish. And then when we get down to the fine arts, PE, health, tech, community service, that's a little bit harder to track and do the math on. You probably haven't finished your community service hours because you get that credit once you complete the 85 required hours for graduation. So that one we're going to ignore for right now. Most of you, if you're a sophomore, took health class at least 1 semester. So we're going to go ahead and put health class right here at 0.5. I'm in choir, and choir technically is a class where you are in it for a full year, so you get 0.25 credits for each semester, or 0.5 for the whole year. And so just to make it easy on yourself, think of it in semesters. Any 2-day-a-week class is worth 0.25 credit. So in choir, I got 0.25 credit from freshman year in each semester, and then I got another 0.25 this last semester. In PE, I was in with Mr. Sam for 1 class freshman year, and then I had him again for 2 classes this last semester, trying to get those PE credits in before graduation. And then I took a tech class in freshman year, but I don't remember which semester. I think I took one each semester. And as you can see over here on the left side, everything's being added up of what I've completed, and then everything that still needs to be completed is still listed here in red. If you scroll down to the bottom, you can see that your overall calculation per semester is here. And each semester, if you've been tracking correctly as a student here at CIS, you should be doing 3.5 credits. So this first semester of my freshman year looks a little off. And then this semester of my sophomore year looks a little off. And then I remember, because I'm talking with my friend, that I took drama in fine arts first semester of freshman year. So I actually got another 0.25 credit, and that'll make that 0.5. And then I forgot that I was in graphic design again or video production this last semester in order to get those credits. And see, each semester is adding up to 3.5 per semester. This is important, especially when you look over here and see, oh, I've already done 10.5 credits. I still need 13.5 in order to graduate. But guess what? You're still in luck. You still have 5 semesters to go in order to earn that credit. So only plug in updates to this tracker when you've completed a semester and you've passed the classes. Don't plug in those updates before you've passed the classes. If you have any questions, I'll be in Mr. John's room today, and I'd love to help you.